Alright, good morning, it's time again. Today's routine is going to be a tire drill, kind of like a military press with a little bit of a squat into it. A lot of people always complain about they don't have the weights to do this, the weights to do that. You just got to find them somewhere and figure it out. Now, all I'm going to do is lean this tire back to me, squat it, and press it up. Now, do as many sets or as many reps as you want to do. Go a little bit deeper as you get stronger. And just do what you can. And for tire size reference, this is a 710 70 R38. XM28 is what it says there, and it is a Michelin tire. It's the biggest one we got in the dojo, so I gotta make do with what I have. Till next time, ladies and gentlemen, have a good one.